Hey guys, it's Mitch and Garrett's first day of spring break today, so we're probably going to get a lot of videos this spring break. This is our first day of fishing, so pretty not cloudy at all, clear water, high winds, and it's probably about 50 degrees. It's going to warm up a little bit, but we'll get back to you if we catch any fish.
Got him! It's a better one. Dude!
Might be a pound.
Alright guys. Ugh. I apologize for my language before I caught this one, because I just get mad when I miss a fish, but I just caught this nice. This is actually pretty nice for this pond. It's about a pound, maybe like a little bigger, maybe like 1-2 or something. I caught it, wow, it's real deep in there. Zoom Super Fluke and Watermelon Red, Carolina rigging it, right up here. Alright, it's got like an 18-inch difference from top to bottom, so we'll get back to you if we catch any more. The wind? What? Oh, you missed another? Alright, Mitchell just got one. So, are you using a lighter color bait?
White.
White? Alright. Alright. Mitchell just got another. Very healthy.
Really, really small. It might even be the same size as the bait. Half the size of the bait. Oh man. Probably full of that.
God, you gotta be kidding me.
First cast, let it drop.
Alright, Mitchell just got another.
This is my 5th fish. All of my hook sets have been on the top of the mouth. Still using the same bait, white wacky rig Senko. Throw him back, see if we can catch another fish.
Oh God. Yeah. Alright, guys. Mitchell just got what? What number?
This is my 6th fish, but we've only gotten like 3 videos.
Yeah, I've gotten 2 fish on a fluke. Mitchell has gotten 6 so far on his white Yum dinger. They've all been small.
More fish, because this is hard to get out.
Yeah, this is crazy. Oh my God. Alright.
This is my 7th fish. I'm getting good hook sets now. I figured it out. They're all in the top now. This pond's mainly small fish, by the way, guys. So we're just gonna be catching small fish all day.
Yeah, just telling
you.
you.
Junebug pond.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna just show you real quick what we've been fishing. There's this little drain that comes out, gives extra water. I guess it's a little warmer than most parts of this pond, so it comes out right here. It's got a lot of vegetation also. We're using wacky rigs now. I might have to go weightless. I was Carolina rigging. I didn't feel like changing, so I thought bullet weight wouldn't change anything, but I think it is. So yeah, and Mitchell's also weightless using a white Senko. Well, a Yum dinger. We're both using Yum dingers. So we'll get back to you if we catch any more fish.
Got him. Got him. I saw the bait there on the side, so I had no idea.
Alright guys, I don't know if you saw that, but once again, we just threw these, threw the wacky rig right in front of these beds over here where Mitchell's sitting. Just caught this little tiny bass right here. Real small, weightless Yum dinger in melon pie color. We'll get back to you if we catch any more. try it out. Healthy fish, once again small. All the fish are small here. Fishing's starting to slow down a little bit, so might pack it up and leave. So yeah, this is our, how many have you caught? 7. This is our 11th fish of the day, so yeah, just gonna throw them back once again on the weightless Yum Dinger.
It's on.
It is?
Yeah.
God, man, it's at the hook good again. It is on?
Yes.
Okay, we'll start right now. Hey guys, we're going to do another episode of Virginia Freshwater Fishing. Just caught the first fish of the day. It's like 80 degrees out here. It's got a good amount of wind. I was bullet weighting a Zoom Super Fluke. I caught this nice, maybe half-pounder. Very healthy. Here at the farm pond today. I think we're going to have some really good luck. Mitchell caught a couple this morning, so maybe we can get a couple this afternoon. So, yeah. Alright, we'll cut it right there, because this thing is not going to get out easy.
There we go.
Yeah. Alright guys, we're going to release the first fish of the day. Maybe like half a pound. Watermelon red. Zoom Fluke. Nice bait, looks like a twitching shad. Alright. Going.
Oh God.
Small one. Alright guys, second fish of the day. Caught it on the, once again, watermelon red Zoom Fluke. Bullet weighting it. It's probably one of the smallest fish I've ever caught. It's like very healthy though. That's good. Alright.
Hey guys, I just caught this fish. I just put it in the water because I had it out for a while because I was trying to get the hook out. I actually got all 3 treble hooks in it, which is kind of a bad thing. I got 2 of them out. I'll get that other one out in a second. Just caught this one on the XPS popper right beside that beaver dam over there. Let me get the hook out. Actually, the hook's still in there, but here's fish. Just gonna show the release in a second. Alright guys, here's the release of the maybe 1 pounder. Probably like 0.12. Had him out for a while, so I'm gonna revive him. I'll get back to you if I catch any more fish. Hey guys, this is my first fish. There's actually one on the bigger side. Clean it off for you really quick. They've been jumping all around everywhere, so I tried a popper. But that didn't work. I'm probably going to pull out the popper again later in the evening. I was using one of these brim baits. It's just like a blade on a, like a fly. I figured I should use that since all the fish here are small. It's probably half a pound. Throw him back. See if I can catch any more. Hopefully some bigger ones. Fish number 2. Day 5 still. This time I was using popper. Sun's going down. Going to start using more and more topwater. Fish number 3. Just caught him right after I caught fish number 2. Again, basically right in that pocket, right outside of it actually. I saw one jump right there and I just cast it over there, and I don't think it was this one because the other one was bigger. This one's hiccuping or something. I don't know. Here's release. Fish number 4. For some reason all of these are like jumping. Caught this guy like right along the edge of these lily pads. There's probably a bunch of them over there, so I'm probably going to try and cast again right there. Don't know why they're so jumpy today. Throw him back, see if I can catch another fish. Here's a release. Alright guys, this is fish number 5 or 6. I think it's 5. Caught it just right in the open water right here. I've made it to the other side. Been a lot of fish jumping over here, I didn't know that. I already caught 2 over here in about 5 minutes, so I should be able to stay here for about 20 more minutes or so, 30 probably, because sun's not all the way down and it's still